Go ahead, whenever. I am so fucking glad. Dude, it could have ended really bad. Yeah, I mean, we need to change the tire, dude. It's fucked. So, YouTube, yeah, you see that, the fucking rock there just blew out a tire. It's good that I saved that. But anyways, we gotta deal with this right now, so. I know that's gonna be annoying, but, you know, safety first.
I have no idea if this is actually pointing towards this. Oh yeah, hopefully we can actually get it off.
Yeah.
Those bolts could be really jammed in there. Well,
and this
it may not be a lot more load than is normally under, just because there's no tire.
Well, you know what?
But it just seems like it's jammed in there. You know, it's just way too stiff. I need a breaker bar to open the breaker bar.
Here.
Basically.
Let me see. Well, that's a good sign. That's, you know what? The plate's off.
Two-piece wheels, baby.
Holy shit.
The fucking entire wheel broke.
Man.
I mean, of course. I mean, it's a lot of weight to just go directly onto a wheel. It's kind of hot. Brakes. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen.
I've never fucking seen this in my life.
Check it out. Let's put it in the light.
I don't even know if you can take this out. Look, it's completely just broke and it failed in shear, basically. Once we get indoors, we'll get a better look at that. But for now, let's work on what's important.
It's remarkably even. There must have been a seam there.
Yeah.